In this video, we will be installing our Sole Protector Plus onto the Air Jordan 5 Oreo. Sole Protector Plus comes in a pair, so we are going to start by making sure the sole protector we are going to install matches with the shoe. First, we peel apart the sole protector from the backing and use our SP Fire Stick to heat it up. Heating up the sole protector first will make the installation process both easier and faster. The best way to heat up the sole protector is with our SP Fire Stick. It is easy to use and provides you with the perfect amount of heat for the sole protector. Go cop your SP Fire Stick at www.sole-protector.com. I will also leave a link in the description. When heating up the SP, make sure you are using a safe surface. You want to heat up all parts of the sole protector, especially the edges. You will know the heating process is complete when you see all edges of the sole protector start to curl. Now that we have finished heating up the sole protector, we are going to apply it to the shoe. It is important that you take your time here to make sure that the sole protector is correctly lined up. You do not have to get it right on the first time, so feel free to adjust like I am doing here. Once it matches up with the sole, we are going to work the sole protector into the shoe, making sure that there are no air pockets that might allow dirt to get underneath. Like the video and subscribe for more sole protector and shoe content. Thanks for watching.